I'm at the Sports Center, July 16th, giving you an update on what we have going on. Here's some of the exterior. And we have just turned on for the first time our new air conditioning system. So I'm going to see if I can feel a difference with Kevin Needham, our Director of Facilities.
It's not on here yet. It's on just in the main gym.
You get to see the lobby here. Bathrooms, getting a new look, new floor, new doors installed. Woo!
Your family, you guys don't need it.
Hi. Mr. Needham, I think I can tell a difference.
I'd say so. Here's the best part. Listen.
That is the air conditioner humming in here.
Barely hear it.
One of the new ads that we have for our sports center coming in the fall of 2020.
New backboards.
New backboards you see. Mezzanine's getting some attention up there. All the ceiling is new, the lights are new. It's gonna be awesome.
Motorized overhead garage door.
Awesome.
Speaker system.
Speakers. Mr. Needham's got a long list. It's gonna be a great year.